have organized this department at Perani Research. Then I am very happy to hear what Alia said in her introductory. And I think this is the requirement of time that we make work with the scientific community. Then we will do a lot of networks, a lot of interactions and socialization. But socializing with the scientific community, networking with the scientific community, promoting the skills and knowledge across disciplines from basic sciences to social sciences, from basic sciences to applied sciences. I think this is something which is really required, and this is expected from all of us. Being a member of the scientific community, this is expected from all of us. But since the organization has taken that initiative and they have taken the task that they will be working with the scientific community to promote the knowledge of science, of applied science among teachers and the students, among researchers, and network all of them. I think that is something good. So my appreciation to the speakers, both of them, and the entire organizing team and leadership of that they have taken this initiative. We all understand that in any of the scientific research, and specifically in biological sciences, having an animal house is important, and animal house, mostly there are other animals as well, and the lake is the animal where most of the multi-purpose experiments are administered. So this is today when you will learn about the behavior and the composition of this animal, the breeding and biotechnology are the animal composition. You will understand that because of the peculiarities of this animal, the rate which is specified in this training has a lot of peculiarities. Therefore, the medical experiments or the experiments of drugs could easily be done, because otherwise the behavior of this animal is uniform. If there are a lot of chromosomes and other things in an animal, and so the behavior of the animal will be different, then controlling parameters in a scientific experiment becomes difficult. Therefore, because of the peculiarities of this animal, the control parameters, the requirement of controlling the parameters has been reduced. Therefore, I think the use of animal are drugs which we do to be tested on this animal, and we will learn about the different models of this animal. So the knowledge will be transferred to the students. This will be highly useful. And then it's good to note that there's a lot of interest from the students. And as the head department said, chairperson said, that there are 50 spots, but there are 90 applications. So it shows that you have a great interest learning new things, and out of 90, 65, 70. So the plenty will also get an opportunity. So there are limited seats, and resources are otherwise limited. And you have to optimize the resource while using the resource. So therefore, there are clear candidates, there are just certain candidates, and there will be other opportunities. And same is true when Madam said that this department has to be beautified and colored. So this is the situation that there's not requirement in the university, because the university, most of the buildings in the university is one of the oldest buildings, and most of the buildings in the university, they are facing the issue of aging, because they are old buildings, and then they are facing the issue of deferred maintenance as well. So the required maintenance was not done at the time when it was required. So if you defer anything, and then the cost of deferment actually increases. So the rate of deterioration increases when adding required maintenance level. And for some industry, because of number of reasons, because limited resources, I think a lot of maintenance requirements at that particular time, 10 years ago, 5 years ago, 20 years ago, were different. And therefore we are facing issues. And so the priority now is student services. If you have seen our budget and we made those all those announcements that the first priority is to repair hostels. So that the students live, they should live in better conditions. So the livability of hostel, be it wise hostel, be it girls hostel, that is the priority. Second priority is classrooms. So the classrooms should be better classrooms, having required number of seats, fans, multimedia, sound system, whatever is required in the classroom. So that is the priority. And that priority is having library and laboratory. This year, I think enhanced evaluations have been made for the library equipment and glassware and chemicals and other things. So that is also priority. And of course, all these buildings, the staff, teachers training, faculty development, more facilities for research, so that they are also priority, research publications, journals. So I think this list we will do in Shatara, and in the process, the Department of Zoology will also be a colorful department, because vast will be colored, but it is colorful now as well, because we have these talented students. And so actually, when you have talented students, when you have committed faculty, so you are happy that you have highly qualified and committed faculty in the Department of Zoology and other departments as well. So I think with this, the university is on the track of progress, is on the trajectory of development, and inshallah with the collective effort of faculty, of teachers, professors, researchers, students, and all other faculty staff, and inshallah this university will progress. This university will be counted as one of the best universities in Pakistan, and this university will be counted as one of the best universities in South Asia, and it will find its place in global recognition. I think that is the track we should pick up, and that is the target we should set for ourselves. And once we set the target and we define the objective and goal, and then I think it's only a matter of time and requiring resources so that we will realize that objective and track and the singing. So destiny is not a university which is struggle, but the destiny is a university which is sustainable, which is best the center of excellence, which is best for knowledge, which is best for the students, and which is counted as one of the successful university. And you are, and the history will be counted if we will be successful in our effort. So thank you very much. Thank you.